Welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about a concept that resonates with a very specific type of homeowner. If you have ever looked out at a traditional overgrown garden full of tangled vines, a chaotic explosion of colors, and endless maintenance, and felt a wave of stress instead of relaxation, this video is entirely for you. Many of us don't want a wild jungle in our backyard. We want peace. We want order. We want the pristine, uncluttered serenity of a luxury resort. Achieving this level of crisp, high-end design requires a ruthless commitment to minimalism. It is about intentionally stripping away the excess and focusing entirely on architectural lines and a highly disciplined color palette. Today we are exploring variations of the ultimate modern patio. We will break down how to use smooth concrete, monochromatic white florals, and sleek black furniture to create a clean floral paradise that never feels messy or overgrown. The foundation of any ultramodern landscape is the hardscaping, and when it comes to containing your garden, nothing beats the sleek industrial perfection of smooth, poured concrete or large format stone slabs. Traditional gardens often use loose dirt beds that spill over onto the patio, creating a constant mess. Raised beds solve this problem instantly. By utilizing crisp, geometric raised beds, you draw a literal line in the sand. You are telling nature exactly where it is allowed to grow. Light gray concrete or microcement finishes provide a cool, neutral backdrop that beautifully frames your plantings without competing with them for attention. These sharp right angles and straight lines establish an immediate sense of control and architectural intent. Whether you choose a simple linear bed or a terraced geometric design, these structured boundaries are the absolute cornerstone of a clutter-free patio. Now that we have our rigid concrete frames, we need to introduce life. But in a minimalist garden, color is a highly calculated choice. We are completely eliminating the chaotic mix of pinks, purples, and yellows found in traditional cottage gardens. Instead, we are committing to a strictly monochromatic floral palette. Pure, striking white. White blooms, like elegant lilies, structured calla lilies, pristine tulips, or bold white hydrangeas, are the ultimate symbol of sophistication. When planted in mass within these concrete beds, white flowers act as natural lighting fixtures, catching the bright midday sun and glowing against the green foliage. A monochromatic palette removes visual noise, allowing the eye to rest and appreciate the texture and architecture of the blooms themselves. It feels incredibly deliberate, expensive, and exceptionally clean. To balance the delicate, striking nature of the white blooms, we must introduce heavy, permanent structure into the softscaping. A modern garden cannot rely on wispy, unpredictable plants. It requires geometry. This is achieved by incorporating perfectly spherical, deep green shrubs directly into the flower beds. Think of tightly clipped boxwoods, dwarf hollies, or globe arborvitae. These perfect green orbs serve as a visual anchor. They contrast beautifully with the organic shapes of the white flowers, bringing the architectural precision of the concrete beds directly into the plant life. This interplay between the sharp, linear concrete and the soft, spherical evergreens creates a dynamic tension that is essential for high-end landscape design. Plus, these evergreens provide critical year-round structure, ensuring your modern patio looks immaculate even when the white flowers are out of season. A beautifully designed flower bed is only half the equation. The space must be functional and inviting. The ground plane and the furniture you choose will dictate the final mood of the patio. To complement the light gray concrete beds, we utilize large format gray porcelain patio tiles or sleek stone slabs. The massive size of these tiles means fewer grout lines, resulting in a seamless, unbroken surface that perfectly mirrors our clutter-free philosophy. Against this ocean of soft grays and vibrant greens, we introduce high contrast with sleek, matte black furniture. Whether it's low-profile loungers, geometric armchairs, or minimalist sunbeds, matte black absorbs the bright midday light. It grounds the space, adds a touch of modern masculinity, and makes the white blooms pop with incredible intensity. When you step back and look at the completed space, the culmination of these highly disciplined choices is breathtaking. You've successfully designed a space that feels less like a backyard and more like the private terrace of a 5-star luxury hotel. By embracing the architectural weight of concrete raised beds, committing to the pristine elegance of white blooms, anchoring the soil with spherical green shrubs, and contrasting the soft gray patio with matte black furniture, you have conquered garden clutter once and for all. This is the ultimate modern floral paradise, a space defined by clean lines, high contrast, and effortless sophistication. Thank you for joining me on this masterclass in modern landscape design. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.